In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw and insert equations within Microsoft Excel. So to do this, you want to first go to the Insert tab. Now there at the Insert tab, go to the right and then click on Symbols. Once you click on Symbols, you're going to want to go to where it says Equation. And you're going to want to click on this drop-down arrow right there and then click on Ink Equation. And from here, you can draw whatever equation that you want to. Whatever you're doing is probably much fancier than what I'm going to do, but just as an example, let's just say you wanted to do like 4x cubed plus 2, something like that equals y. I don't know what you'd want to do, quite honestly. I'm a finance pro, I don't do much heavy math stuff at all, but here's an example, right? So I'm trying to write 4x cubed plus 2 equals y. This is hypothetical. And as you can see, for some reason, Excel picked up the 2 as a t. As you can see in the preview that it showed at the top, that came up as I was writing this right here. So to make the t a 2, I can do select incorrect and then circle the 2. And then it's suggesting number 2, so click on number 2, now it shows it's a 2. There's something I don't want, I can erase it. So I can do equals like a, for example. Or if I want to clear it, I can just write clear and then clear the entire thing. And once I press insert, the equation shows up inside of a text box. Now, one thing to know is that text boxes can be good because they're a little bit flexible, but if you want it within Excel, within the Excel, all you have to do is just highlight the equation right there, go into whichever cell you want it to be in, and then put it in there. And as you can see, it shows up as text, though it's a little bit different with the formatting. As you can see, the text box version shows 4x cubed like that, and then the within Excel version has a little caret right there. I hope you found this short tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.